Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can format a disk in Windows 11. There is some reason, there is some possible cause why you want to format your disk. For example, like you encounter file system corruption. This is most common cause and be caused by improperly removing the drive, sudden power loss, malware attacks, or there's a logical damage, physical damage affect the drive's hardware, such as from dropping it, exposure to liquids, wear and tear. Incompatible partition, you might have selected a partition that is incompatible with Windows. Outdated mass storage controller or driver, Windows might not be compatible with the mass storage controller or driver, or loose data cable. So etc. Maybe the point is you have a problem with your drive. So I did have a problem with my drive because of malware, because of virus. So my antivirus cannot run properly because of that. So I need to format my hard disk. So here, in order to do that, you can go to File Explorer in your Windows, click this PC, and click one of your drive that you want to be formatted, and click three dot at the top of your screen, and here we go. The third option is format. Format the selected disk, you can click it. So here, this is your SSD or hard disk capacity. I do have 250 gigabyte. File system, the NTFS by default. Allocation unit, just leave it be. And here, volume label, you can choose quick format for faster time formatting. So you can click start in order to begin the format. So maybe it takes about less than hour, but it depends on your drive, of course. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the button below. See you in the next video.